They don give the former Kogi State Governor wey be Yaya Bello a final and last chance to appear in court on Wednesday wey be the 25th day of September for inside this year 2024 to come face trial over the alleged 80.2 billion naira money laundering charges wey dey against am. And this im final chance e dey come after Oga Yaya Bello don fail to attend previous court sessions wey dey scheduled for im arraignment. But however, my good people, Oga Yaya Bello just dey deploy plenty tactics, and this im tactics na come make dem come dey postpone the thing, dey postpone am dey go. On the 17th day of April for inside this year 2024, the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be Efcc, dem bin attempt to arrest Oga Yaya Bello for im residence wey dey for inside Abuja. But this attempt was not successful because of policemen wey dey attached to the premises. Then later on, reinforcement come to support the police, and that reinforcement na backup support from the police and the Department of State Services wey be DSS. Then last the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they come dey plan to use force to take arrest Yaya Bello. But however, my good people, the matter e no later reach like that because the current governor of Kogi State wey be Usman Ododo, wey be Yaya Bello successor, he come later arrive for the scene. Then Yaya Bello come allegedly escape for inside the vehicle of Usman Ododo, wey come make the security operatives they come open fire. Now, information don reach our table from one highly placed source wey dey for inside the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Now, this source dey yarn dey give us say the appearance of Oga Yaya Bello on Wednesday na go be in only saving grace and last opportunity to take im plea regarding the 19 count charges wey they don file against am. According to how this source dey yarn am, my good people, he said the commission is not perturbed about all his moves because the chances has been drafted against him already, and this in delay tactics e dey do more harm than good. E dey only make in case dey go worse. Now make I still yarn you another legit intel, my good people. You know say we can't receive information say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be EFCC then reject Oga Yaya Bello offer of surrender inside last week, and then reject am due to concern say Oga Yaya Bello dey attempt to compromise the operational procedures of the EFCC. You know say on the 18th day of September for inside this year 2024, Oga Yaya Bello bin report to the EFCC, and in dey accompanied by his successor wey be Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo and some dignitaries, that is some ogbonge men like that, in response to the invitation of the EFCC over the alleged mismanagement of 80.2 billion naira, according to a statement from his media office. According to how another source dey yarn give us, my good people, he said the EFCC wey be Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they are a highly professional agency with strict guidelines about arrest, bail, surrender of wanted suspects, investigation and prosecution. And him wey be Yaya Bello, in dey carry himself like emperor, like big man, dey come environment wey be say he na suspect. Besides, the EFCC sef don reportedly stumble upon some intelligence wey dey regarding his motive for surrender, and that a motive e fit spoil the trial wey dey against am. So all this mago e come make the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be Ola Olukoyede to act swiftly, and he come turn down the surrender offer wey Oga Yaya Bello make. But however, my good people, another quarter come later burst few hours after they don reject the surrender. You know say the EFCC come receive intel for where Yaya Bello dey hide. Then they come go lay siege for the Kogi government lodge wey dey for inside Asokoro district for inside the Federal Capital Territory. But when dem try to arrest Oga Yaya Bello, wetin dem observe, e burst their bubble, and e can't even burst the bubble of the general public. You know say the security personnel wey dey attached to the facility, they come dey push back against the anti-graft agency. They can't even dey shoot gun for air. They no allow make EFCC arrest Oga Yaya Bello. Then we can receive intel from some of our sources say the current governor of Kogi State wey be Usman Ododo, he don use the immunity wey he dey enjoy as a serving governor of Kogi State to take prevent him predecessor from being arrested. And this go be the second time wey he don do this kind of level. And when this thing happen, my good people, the general public was not happy at all about the matter. How come the EFCC wey be Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, an agency wey dey recognized by the Federal Republic of Nigeria, dey go try to arrest a suspect wey dey don already acquire arrest warrant from the court. Then when dem wan execute the arrest warrant, only for them to be hindered by security operatives from another agency. Those kind levels normally e no make sense, and that, my good people, na big embarrassment to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. And this matter, my good people, e dey pain country people well well. Aside for the fact say Efcc then get all the necessary things to take arrest Yaya Bello, they never fit still arrest the man till today. But the main thing wey dey make country people dey para the most na because say if to say na youth, to say na Nigerian youth, na the Efcc for don arrest the person since, for don tag am yahoo boy. You come back see if na for the Nigerian youth body na the Efcc dey get power. Those kind levels e no make sense. See Yaya Bello now wey be say the charges wey dem plaster for him head dey plenty, no be small. 80.2 billion naira money laundering fraud plus the alleged $720,000 wey he use to pay im children their school fees. Now if you say make e carry that money now, dey share am even if na 200,000 naira to the general public, that money e go go a long way. E go calm down insecurity, e go calm down hunger, e go calm down plenty things wey the federal government no even believe say e go calm down for inside the country Nigeria. Now dem dey pursue oga Yaya Bello till today. Dem never still arrest man wey thief that kind money, and him just dey carry the Efcc and the court take dey cash cruise. Although the legal counsel of the former Kogi state governor wey be Yaya Bello, they don dey yarn since say that allegations of $720,000 wey he take pay for him children school fees, that allegations is very much wrong and is untrue. Say na lie, say the man no do those kind of levels. But make Yaya Bello come court come defend himself, na wahala. He no wan gree come outside. Now, you know say they say a guilty conscience fear no accusation. But as this man now no gree appear for court, that to show say him hand no clean. He know very well say he commit the offence. Na why he dey fear the Efcc, and na why he dey fear court, na why he dey fear arrest. Now as this matter dey continue like this, my good people, small the general public dey lose confidence, dey lose hope on the Efcc wey be Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. E come back see if they no dey competent enough to carry out their duty for inside the country Nigeria. E come back see if they dey leave the guilty ones, dey pursue innocent ones for inside the country Nigeria, and normally all those kind levels e no make sense. This, my good people, na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to receive more like this, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you dey share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another legit informate for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.